Hi, and welcome once again to Tsar Event's Russian Survival Guide. I'm your hostess, Maya Krivchenia, your American opera singer, here in the great restaurant Cococo. This restaurant is the conceptual idea of Matilda Shnurova, a St. Petersburg fashion icon. This restaurant is extremely interesting because it takes the idea of farm to table before it was ever cool in St. Petersburg. Here, they serve not only Russian cuisine, but Russian cuisine with a modern twist. This is one of the most popular restaurants in St. Petersburg right now. It's very difficult to get a table, and without a reservation, nearly impossible. Now, the idea of this restaurant was one of the first, this farm-to-table, modern Russian cuisine. Now, all over the city, people are trying to copy the idea. You'll notice that the decor of the restaurant has to do with Russian fairy tales. You see beautiful foxes and birds painted on the walls, a mirror to remind us of Snow White, and feather-covered lamps to remind us of the Cococo. Cococo is located in Sofitel, St. Petersburg. It's a beautiful combination of modern food, modern ideas, and a modern hotel.